Something! Dito kuya.
Saan? Ayan. Ayan si Camila, maarte. Kagrupo namin yan, Magnus yan eh.
Bading pala.
Bakla.
Bakla.
Sabay kayo nagparitoke ni Ann?
Oo.
Okay, pinagsamang belot saka ano?
Kalayan.
Eh yung buhok, paano Serrano?
Pitoy mo rin.
There are some rice cake type things. What we call rice cakes. You're going to need to finish that bag of rice cakes because you need the energy. Give me a break. Get your next clue. Pay attention to what I just said. Your entire team can eat. You need to finish that bag to get your first clue. Staff, here's your hint. Staff do not have your clue.
It's in the food.
In the bottom.
It's inside the food. So we need to
And
finish.
you have to wait about 24 hours for it to come out.
Have fun, enjoy.
We need to finish it. Wait. Sige, go.
Ikaw na?
Make your way to. No. Paper, no.
Ipay, sabihin mo lang.
Sada. Three. 한국말로 뭐지? 트리가 뭐예요? 와우! Train.
한국말.
Wow! Waterfall. What's the?
Oh, murong ka. Naka-okay na yan, naka-play na yan.
Oh, yeah. Naka-play na to.
Tingnan mo kung naglaran yung oras.
Or I'm gonna make you eat them from the ground. Oh my God. Some teams have. They actually picked it up. How many teams already are there? I can't
Tubig ka
tell
pa
you.
May tubig ka dito, di ba?
Wala na. Kaya niyo yan. Moral support.
Okay.
Uy, sa kanila ubus mo. Hindi ba pwede kakasama?
May tubig. Pakuha dito ng tubig.
Ani, oh. Go, kuya! Go, kuya! Go, kuya Russell! You need protein! Gymnastics. That's awesome. You guys are awesome. Oh, yes!
Okay. Bilibas.
Wait, are you guys sticking together?
Yes!
Done? Oh, okay. Yes. So, you're ready to go unless you're reading.
Yep.
Go na kayo. Done? Okay, we're done. Wait, paano stop?